Glowing lights and potential disruptions. Severe solar storms loom. Glowing lights and potential disruptions. Severe solar storms loom. Get ready for a dazzling celestial show as powerful solar storms threaten to paint the night sky with vibrant auroras this week. However, these captivating displays could also bring some disruptions to our technological infrastructure. Space weather forecasters from NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, are tracking several coronal mass ejections, CME, powerful bursts of energy released by the sun hurtling towards Earth. These CMEs are expected to arrive Tuesday night into Wednesday, potentially triggering geomagnetic storms classified as severe. Such storms can disrupt radio communications, GPS signals, and even power grids in rare instances. The intensity and southward reach of the auroras depend on the timing and interaction of these solar bursts with Earth's atmosphere. Skywatchers across much of the northern United States might be treated to a spectacular light show, potentially reaching as far south as Alabama and northern California. The sun at its peak. Why we're seeing more auroras, this increased auroral activity isn't just a coincidence. The sun is currently experiencing the peak of its 11-year cycle of activity, making these events more common and widespread. Imagine it as a cosmic facelift. The sun flips its magnetic poles every 11 years, creating complex twists and tangles in its magnetic field. This solar maximum period is also responsible for the increased frequency and intensity of CMEs. Last year demonstrated just how powerful this solar activity can be. A major geomagnetic storm, one of the strongest in 2 decades, illuminated skies across the northern hemisphere. Shortly after, a potent solar storm surprised viewers by painting auroras as far south as Germany, the United Kingdom, New England, and even New York City, locations typically much too far from the poles to witness such displays. This period of heightened solar activity is expected to last at least through the end of 2025, although pinpointing the precise peak remains difficult. While space weather experts can't forecast storms months in advance, they do issue warnings days before an outburst hits Earth, allowing critical infrastructure operators time to prepare. More than just a pretty light show, the impacts of solar storms beyond their mesmerizing beauty, auroras are a reminder of the sun's immense power and its potential influence on our planet. While most solar storms pass without causing major disruptions, severe ones can have tangible consequences. The 1859 Carrington event, for example, triggered auroras as far south as Hawaii and set telegraph lines ablaze. A more recent storm in 1972 is suspected of detonating magnetic USC mines off the coast of Vietnam. Catching a glimpse. Tips for aurora viewing. If you're hoping to catch these potentially spectacular auroras, remember that clear skies are essential. Check weather forecasts and aim for locations away from city lights. Think national or state parks. A quiet location will allow you to fully appreciate the ethereal dance of light above. Even your smartphone camera may capture subtle hints of the aurora not visible to the naked eye. For the most accurate predictions, visit NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center website or download an aurora forecasting app.